Myanmar security forces killed at least 38 people Sunday, in one of the deadliest days since the military seized power in a coup and declared martial law in 6 areas after Chinese-funded factories were set on fire. The heaviest casualties were in an industrial suburb of the largest city Yangon, where military and police opened fire on unarmed protesters, killing at least 22, according to the advocacy group the Assistance Association for Political Prisoners, AAPP, which said Hlangthea district became like a battlefield. In one unverified image, a protester can be seen huddling under a makeshift shield as he holds onto the shirt of a fallen fellow demonstrator. At least 16 people were killed in other regions around the country on Sunday, including in the second city of Mandalay and in Bago, where state media said a police officer had died of a chest wound after a confrontation with protesters, Reuters reported. This is the second policeman reported dead in the protests. The weekend's fatalities bring the death toll since the coup to at least 126 people, according to the AAPP. The Chinese embassy in Myanmar said several Chinese-funded factories were smashed and set ablaze in Yangon's industrial zone during protests Sunday. Chinese citizens were also injured, according to the embassy. It is unclear who the perpetrators were and no group has claimed responsibility for the fires. China urges Myanmar to take further effective measures to stop all acts of violence, punish the perpetrators in accordance with the law and ensure the safety of life and property of Chinese companies and personnel in Myanmar. Anti-coup protesters have been suspicious of China, with frequent demonstrations targeting the Chinese embassy in Yangon and protesters accusing Beijing of supporting the coup and junta. While China has not outright condemned the military takeover, it backed a United Nations Security Council statement saying it strongly condemns the violence against peaceful protesters